everyone. We are here at the local supermarket, farmers market, and I want to show you an amazing root. We want to buy lotus root today, and if you still have a cold or a flu, this would be an amazing remedy to use in order to help you fight off the mucus and phlegm that might be creating during your cough. As you see, lotus root grows as roots attached to each other, and they grow in ponds. In China, lotus root has been used. To help you fight different ailments, to help you support stomach, spleen, and pancreas energy, to help you strengthen your heart and astrange your intestines. So it's been used for hemorrhages, for excessive menstruation, for diarrhea, and even for nosebleeds. So today we will show a remedy that will help you support your lung energy and cure coughs and colds. To buy lotus root, you have to pick roots that are really light cream color and free of bruises and discolorations. You can find it in the fall, in the winter, and in the early spring. We're getting our lotus root. We're back to our kitchen to make a lotus root tea for you to stop coughing. Okay, so this is our lotus root we just purchased. We will need only one of them, so we can break it apart. Let's wash it. Okay. In addition to this good-looking lotus root, we need a piece of ginger, an amazing remedy, the most effective thing to bring up your blood circulation and to warm up your body. Okay, so we will need that. We will need soy sauce, naturally brewed, amazing thing too, and we need some water. Okay. I'm going to use my most favorite porcelain grater here in order to grate this lotus and ginger into a very fine pulp so I can squeeze out juice from it. Okay, I will need a piece of cheesecloth and a saucepan. That's all it takes. Lotus root, I'll take out this dark hard parts. Okay, and I'm going to grate it. Actually, I want to show you what it looks like when you cut it apart. It looks like a very firm, light-colored root with hollow chambers all around it. A very funny shape, but makes it look exotic. So what you can do, actually, besides making it into a tea, you can slice the root very fine, into very thin slices, like that, and use it in making stir fries. Just stir fry it, or you can top your soups, float on top of your soups. It makes it a really nice garnish. Okay, but what we are going to do right now, we will take this lotus and we will grate it to a very fine pulp. Just like that, circular motion. If you don't have a porcelain grater, you may use any grater you have available. Just make sure it grates into very fine pulp. I'll need to make about half a cup of the lotus juice. You'll be surprised to find out how juicy it is. So we don't need this pulp, so we will not. Now we will add half a cup of water. Basically, you take equal amounts of the lotus juice and the water. We will add a few drops of the soy sauce And now we will need to add a few drops of the ginger juice. To make the ginger juice, we take the root itself and we'll grate it using the same grater. In my case, I'm using my favorite porcelain grater. I just need a few drops of ginger juice that will be squeezed into the lotus tea. Okay. This preparation will be brought to a boil now. I'm going to put this whole thing into a saucepan. I'm going to bring it to a boil. It cooks very fast, and while it's cooking, the juice is going to become thicker. It's going to be like a thick remedy. The lotus tea is most effective when it's made from fresh lotus root. If you don't have access to the fresh lotus root, you can use it in a dried slices form, or you can use lotus powder, which can be available at the natural food warehouses like Natural Import or Eden Foods, or you can call and order from the Kushi Institute. But if you can find fresh lotus root, that would be the best. By the way, when you go to your farmer markets, usually Oriental farmer markets, to look for the lotus root, sometimes it's called lily root, L-I-L-Y. So if you're trying to give it to a small child, half a cup of this preparation is just enough. Otherwise, a whole cup can be used for someone who's older than 2-3 years old. Okay, so drink this and you'll be happy, and you will stop coughing very soon. Get well soon.